Hello everyone. So this session is really important for me because this is our session number 100. We are hitting a century here after almost 2 years of our channel has been established. I take this opportunity to thank each and every one of our viewers, our subscribers who has been supporting us or supporting me in every stages of the development of the channel. We have started with a very few number of subscribers. Now we are almost touching 1000 subscribers, and also the views of the channel is also going up gradually. I am also trying to put up my maximum efforts to create value content. There is lot of research, lot of time being spent, as you already know from the quality of the videos we stream. Also, I have got lot of feedbacks from various subscribers, various well-wishers, various viewers, and this has been stage-wise incorporated into each of the sessions. And also I am trying to include much of the research inputs into the session, much of tabulations, much of uniqueness which others don't bring in their channel or content. So this we are trying to do. Going forward also you can expect quality content. So again, a heartfelt thanks to all the supporters of this channel. Now, this being the 100th session, I thought of doing a brief video on the topic how to unleash maximum gains from the stocks, ETF and mutual funds you hold. So as we know, we have been discussing through various sessions how to maximize your profits in using your various investment tools for your stocks and mutual fund or even ETF portfolio. So I'll be mentioning almost 6 to 7 tools or ways by which you can maximize the profit in the stocks or even the mutual funds you hold. I'm sure that you would be aware of 2 to 3 of the options which I'm going to tell, but rest all, if you are a regular subscriber of mine or regular viewer of my channel, probably you should know that, but still I'm trying to brief that here. So one is, you have got this stock or mutual fund appreciation. Obviously, as the market goes up, you get that appreciation. So that's one way of getting the profits or capital appreciation. Second is booking the profits in some of the stocks or mutual funds as it reaches its goal or its maturity or target values based on your discretion or our analysis, which we have been discussing in various sessions. Now, if you book that profit, as I tell, you only book a profit if you find another place or undervalued asset wherein you can invest that and then generate profit, whether it can be a stock, a mutual fund, an ETF, a commercial real estate, a residential real estate, if you can give it on rent or whatever it may be. So it can be any asset, but if you have to book profit, you need to find or you need to identify a place to reinvest it. So again, reinvesting, this is like an exponential thing if compounding pitches in. So booking the profit, reinvesting that to undervalued stock, then that stock appreciates, then again reaches some value, then again you book profit, then reinvest that. So this will help you exponentially grow your portfolio to higher levels. So that is point 2. Third one is stock dividends or mutual fund dividends. So stock dividends directly you get into your account, then that amount can be utilized for reinvesting in the stocks or assets. So again, regarding this dividend reinvestment strategy for stocks, I had discussed in detail in our session number 87. So if you have not seen that, you please go and visit that as well, which will help you have a clear understanding of how to utilize this tool. So mutual fund dividends also are there. So I am a fan, or I always go with growth funds, not dividend funds, because dividend funds are like they pay out the dividends to you, but they don't reinvest that. So that will not actually help you grow the portfolio. But if you have opted for mutual fund dividend funds also, then in that case you can reinvest that amount into buying new assets. But I recommend that only stock dividends be reinvested, and mutual fund dividends you go with growth funds only, so that automatically that dividends gets reinvested into the NAV price of that particular mutual fund, and hence it grows your portfolio. Now the fourth one is dividend reinvesting. As I told, the fourth point is dividends, which is again a cash flow for you from your stock portfolio, and that dividends has to be reinvested. Again, how dividend reinvesting to be done, we have clearly mentioned in our session number 87. Please go visit that. Now the next point is mergers, stock split, and stock buybacks. So stock buyback, already you know, like cases like TCS wherein they buy back at a higher price. So that is like value creation to the investor. So also stock split, like in case of I had Grasim. So Grasim and Aditya Birla Nuvo had merged to become a single entity. So at that time, Aditya Birla Capital, almost if I remember, a huge amount of stocks of Aditya Birla Capital was given in free. Obviously, it is because a merger and then split of that stock. So at that time, such stocks were given. Grasim also had dipped slightly, then again it regained to the original levels. But this AB Capital was given separately. It was listed up to 260 rupees as I remember, but it fell to very low levels and again it is now climbing up. So I'm still invested in that as a disclaimer. But if you see at that time, if you sell that, then again it's a value creation. Mergers, as you again the same thing. Aditya Birla and Grasim is merger thing. Stock split also, you get value creation for the investor. So this is how you make additional amount, just not the stock appreciation or the price appreciation. There are things like this which help you create more value. Now the another thing is rental yield from stocks through SLB. So stock lending and borrowing. So regarding this rental yield from stocks through SLB, we have discussed this in detail in our session number 74, the rental income from stocks. So if you have not seen that, please go and visit that as well. So there also we have mentioned how you can rent the stocks and get rent from that stock, because you are having a long hold stock portfolio. Anyhow, you are not trading that and you are not selling that. So if you are giving that for liquidity purpose to the market makers, like in Zerodha, if you give it, rent it out, rollover, so lend it out for 1 month, at the expiry you will be getting back the stock to your portfolio. Till that, all the dividend actions or the corporate actions will be applicable to you, but still you get the rent, and this rent is given upfront on the first day wherein you are renting the stock. And also there are rollovers available wherein one same stock can be rolled over every month to the next month expiry. So this is again another way of easily making good money. So I have been doing this since very long now, and I have been posting the snapshots of this stock lending and the profits made from that in my community post of the YouTube channel. So if you have not seen that, please go and see that, and also you get a feel of that. If you want any help regarding this, I can help you. Again, I strongly suggest you to go see the session 74, wherein you will get the idea about this rental income from stocks and the procedures and how to avail that from the broker. And also regarding the dividend reinvesting, we had discussed in detail. Another thing is that stock switch and reinvest strategy, we had mentioned that in my earlier session 75. So regarding booking profits and reinvesting, which is the second point here, so this strategy also is discussed in detail in my session number 75. If you have not seen that, I also suggest you to go see that and use that to exponentially increase your wealth. Now the last point here is that loan against stocks and mutual funds and reinvesting in securities. So this already I had mentioned in my last session number 99. So there I had mentioned how to avail the loan and how the loans are availed by pledging these stocks and mutual funds as collateral, and those loan which we have got, which can be reinvested back to undervalued stocks and again exponentially push your portfolio up with the leverage. Basically this loan is other people's money, so that concept has to be really utilized so that you make exponential wealth. So if you see stock appreciation, profit booking and reinvesting, stock dividends, then dividend reinvesting, then the corporate actions, the wealth created out of that, you have to apply for that as well. So that has also to be taken care. A video on corporate actions is soon to be released in my channel. You can expect that, so you will have further clear understanding on this. Then the rental yield from stock through SLB, stock lending and borrowing, very well clear for you. Passive income. So again, loan against stocks and mutual fund, another way of creating wealth. So if you see, though you have been thinking that it's just the stock appreciation, price fluctuation which helps you create wealth, it's not like that. As I identified, there are like 7 points which you can simply utilize or intelligently apply in your portfolio of stocks and mutual funds or even ETFs, and create compounding effect in your portfolio and push your portfolio exponentially. Otherwise, if you do traditional way of investing, then you will not have a bigger chunk of portfolio with you. So this thing I have personally incorporated in my portfolio since my more than 1 decade of investing experience, and I have pushed my portfolio to a higher levels by utilizing these techniques or security investing tools. So hope this session has been useful for you. Any comments, any suggestions, please comment in the comment box. Keep supporting the channel. Going forward, I expect complete cooperation and support from you subscribers and viewers. Thanks again for all your support. You really have helped me reach to this 100th video session. Going forward, I will keep presenting more insights and more value addition to your investing skills. See you in next video. Till then, happy investing.